Hi everyone, I'm Hunter, and from everyone here at Mann Lake, we'd like to wish you a very happy new year and welcome to the January edition of the Beekeepers Buzz for the Western States. So honestly, there's not much to be done in the hive at this time of year. Here in the Central Valley of California, we're usually lucky enough to get a period of 60-degree days. It's a good opportunity to hop in the hive. Check their stores. If they're looking light, you can supplement with something like a winter patty or a fondant. But just remember to keep those inspections brief and don't go in the hive under 55 degrees. Now, if you live in an area that doesn't afford you that luxury, there is another method you can use. As all beekeepers' backs can attest, honey is heavy, so go ahead and use that to your advantage. All you have to do is lift up the back of the hive just enough to get a feel for the weight of it. If it is feeling light, then go ahead and supplement. I do want to reiterate not to go in under 55. If they're low and you really have to, then just keep it brief and try to do it at the warmest part of the day. I know as beekeepers, we want to be hands-on and we want to be in our hives. Unfortunately, it's just not the time of year for it. Your time is probably better spent prepping for spring. If you have any knockdown equipment like boxes or frames, it's a good time to get those assembled, get those boxes painted. I think we can all agree that there's always more to learn about beekeeping. So it's a great time to pick up a new book, join your local beekeeping club if you haven't already. And then there are also plenty of resources online available to you. If you're watching this video, you found our YouTube. We also have articles on our website, and we've also started a beekeeping Facebook group, so check that out. This is also a great time to try your hand at something new. There's a lot that you can do with honey, beeswax, and propolis. You've got candles, balms, salves, tinctures, and what better way to relax after a long day in the bee yard than some mead made from your own honey. Lastly, if you plan on expanding your apiary in the spring by doing splits, now's a good time to get those queen pre-orders in. If you're looking for packages or nukes, just know that those early ship dates do fill up fast, so you'll want to get those pre-orders in sooner rather than later if you do need them by a certain date. If you're just getting started with bees in the spring, now's a good time to scout out a location for your hives, get your equipment, your tools, protective gear, get it all together so that it's there, it's ready for when the bees arrive. As always, if you found this video useful and want to see more, please like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time on the Beekeepers Buzz.